The EA combination in English is fascinating because it can produce different sounds depending on the word. For instance, when you see EA in C or T, it has a long E sound, pronounced I, which corresponds to the Bangla I, like in Sai for C. Then we have the short E sound, as in head or bread, pronounced E, matching the Bangla E, like in head for head. Lastly, there's the A sound found in words like great or break, pronounced EI, also represented by the Bangla E, as in gret for great. Each pronunciation is unique, so mastering these variations is key to improving your English skills.